What's the meaning of bindweed? Bindweed. Bindweed.
Bindweed. Bindweed. Bindweed is a creeping vine or weed that is commonly found in gardens and agricultural fields. It belongs to the Convolvulaceae family and has long, slender stems with heart-shaped leaves. The plant produces trumpet-shaped flowers that are typically white or pink in color. While bindweed flowers may be aesthetically pleasing, the plant itself is notorious for its invasive nature. It can quickly take over an area, choking out other plants and reducing biodiversity. Bindweed can also be difficult to control, as its extensive root system allows it to regrow even when it has been pulled out or cut back.